my channel and welcome to today's video. When it comes on to the skin, it is very important to exfoliate the skin. We exfoliate the skin because we want to get rid of dead skin cells on the skin. Exfoliating the skin also have to get rid of grease and dirt on the skin. Now one should exfoliate the skin at least 2 to 3 times per week. This is going to keep the skin clear, bright, and also give you that natural radiant glow. Today I'm going to share an exfoliator with you. This is an exfoliator that I personally use to exfoliate my skin. It is rich in anti-aging properties, therefore it helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, clear hyperpigmentation, get rid of textured skin, get rid of rough looking skin, and leave the skin clear and bright. What I'm going to do for you, I'm going to share the recipe, full detailed recipe telling you all about the ingredient that I use in this scrub. This scrub is good for the face, it is also good for the neck and décolleté. It's a scrub that you can actually use all over your body, but definitely at least 2 to 3 times per week on your face. Remember, exfoliating will allow your beauty products to work better on the skin. So what are you waiting for? Let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. However, before I get in the kitchen, if this is your first time watching my channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. On my channel, we tend to do a lot of skincare. We help you to get your skin to look younger, fresher, brighter. So what are you waiting for? Look below, you're going to see the word subscribe. Just click on it and it's as easy as that. You're subscribed. Also, if you want to know exactly when I post the video, there's a little bell icon at the side. Just click on that and turn on post notification on your phone and you'll get a notification as soon as I upload a video. Now let's get in the kitchen and start making our facial scrub. Now to make our facial scrub, my first ingredient is sesame seeds, and these are rich in antioxidant, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E. Have to hydrate, have to reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin, have to boost the collagen production in the skin. So I'm using 2 tablespoons of the sesame seeds. Next, we are going to move on to my next ingredient, which is rice. Rice will have to exfoliate the skin, get rid of dead skin cells on the skin, help the skin to be soft, supple, and hydrated. For our rice, I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of the rice, and we're going to mix this with our sesame seeds. So 2 tablespoons of rice and 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Let me reach for my next ingredient, which is dried orange peel. Orange peel have to lighten, brighten the skin and clear hyperpigmentation from the skin. What I'm going to be doing with this orange peel, I'm going to be blending it. So let's reach for my blended orange peel, and we're going to pour about a teaspoon of the orange peel in with our sesame seed and rice. And now we're going to reach for our blender, and here we're just going to pour this in the blender. So here in the blender we have rice, we have sesame seed, and we have orange peel, and we're going to blend this to a fine granule. Now after blending, let's pour this out. Here we have our base for our facial scrub. We have rice, we have sesame seeds, and we also have some dry orange peel powder. So now we are going to add some liquid to this. My next ingredient is honey, and we're using the honey for its antibacterial properties. We're using a teaspoon of honey, and we're going to add this to our mixture. Pour that in. Now if you're vegan, go ahead and skip the honey. So here is my liquid of choice. Today I'm going to be using some soy milk. However, if you do not have soy milk, go ahead, use your regular milk or use some almond milk instead of the soy milk. Also, you can choose to use some green tea or even some butterfly pea flowers. So I'm going to slowly add my soy milk, and that is about a tablespoon to begin with. And we're going to slowly blend this in. We're making a facial scrub, so we do not need a lot of liquid. So mix well and make sure to blend that honey out. This is an amazing facial scrub that you can use to exfoliate your skin. Exfoliate your face, your neck, and your décolleté. And now this is ready to use on the skin. Now if you have dry skin, you can go ahead and you can use a bit of a oil in this. I'm just going to tip about a half a teaspoon of sweet almond oil, optional, and just blend it in. Now let's reach for our storage jar. Now this amount can last you about 3 days to exfoliate your face, exfoliate every other day. Now to use this on the skin, you're going to be generous with it, and you're going to take a bit and you're just going to use it to exfoliate your skin in circular motion. You're exfoliating your face, your neck, and your décolleté with this, and you're going to exfoliate for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, you are going to rinse off. Rinse off and take a look how amazing that is. Pat dry the skin and apply your favorite skincare product. Scrub. And there you have it. Thank you all for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this on your social media page. What other ingredient would you add to this facial scrub? And also, how often do you personally exfoliate your skin? Thank you all for watching, and don't forget, if this is your first time, do not leave without subscribing. So hit that subscribe button below and you're subscribed. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye-bye.